Hello, my friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all another sweet tea recipe. And if y'all follow me for quite some time, y'all know how much I love me some sweet tea. And it's a staple down here in the South. We're going to make triple berry sweet tea. It's going to have strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And it's going to be full of fresh berry flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect drink to cool you off on a hot summer day. And great to serve at BBQ Cookouts and Picnics. Also, 4th of July is coming up. This would be perfect to serve at your 4th of July cookout. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Creole Jambalaya. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your fresh berries, get your water boiling, and get the tea steeped in sugar because we're about to make some triple berry sweet iced tea magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, in my large pot, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to make a simple syrup. We're going to add in 4 cups of water. And into our water, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the water has came to a boil. So now we're going to let it cook until the sugar dissolves. Alrighty, the sugar has dissolved, and off camera, I poured the simple syrup into my measuring cup. Now we are ready to make the tea. We're going to add in 5 small tea bags. So now we're going to let the tea steep for 10 minutes. Alright, my friends, the tea is nice and steep, and off camera, I removed the tea bags. So now we're going to set this aside and let it cool. Let's get started on the berry syrup. In my medium bowl, I have my fresh berries. I have 1 cup each of sliced strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Now we're going to pour them into the pot. And into our fresh berries, we're going to add in 1 cup of water. I have my fire over high heat, and all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the berries has came to a boil. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now we're going to mash the berries using a potato masher. So now I'm going to cut the fire down to low, and we're going to let it simmer for 3 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through cooking my berry syrup, and how simple and easy was that. So now we're going to strain it. And to make life easier, we're just going to strain the berry syrup into the pitcher so that way we'll have everything together. Discard the excess berry pulp. And I'm using my mesh strainer. Alrighty, I am through straining my berry syrup. It's all in the pitcher. Now it's time for the fun part, building the tea. We're going to add in our cool tea. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And last but not least, we're going to add in 4 cups of cold water. And give it a quick stir until it's well combined. And make sure you taste it for more sweetness to your liking. Alright, let me give it a quick taste. Oh, that's good. But I like it a little bit more sweeter. So I'm going to add in a little bit more sugar. And stir it in. And that's it, my friends. Our tea is ready to serve. So now I'm going to get my mason jars together, and then we'll give it a taste. I have my mason jars filled with ice. We're going to pour the tea. Now we're going to add on a fresh strawberry, some fresh mint leaves, a fresh raspberry, and some fresh blueberries. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh mixed berry sweet tea. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. Crisp, refreshing, and I can taste all three of the berries. This will definitely quench up your thirst. This triple berry sweet tea is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Triple berry sweet tea licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love and happy 4th of July. Cheers. Mm-mm.